Good evening. I'm MMMC-GS, a member of Batch 2, Group 12. I really want to thank my mentor Nick, Isako, 2 members for the knowledge I've acquired in this MMMC Corporation Guidance School. I've learned a lot from this guidance school. I've learned how to use GoToMeeting, screencasts, and how to shorten our link. Even how to create YouTube channels, how to share ideology videos, how to upload, how to make use of the sliding Google slide, and a lot of it. I've really learned a lot from this lesson. Even the preparatory class, the day 1, the tax 1, the tax 2, test 3, the business game. I really learned a lot from this class. Interacting with students from far and near, being awake in order to acquire something from this MMMC guidance school. I've learned a lot. Also, the GoToMeeting. If I don't know how to operate that stuff, but when our mentor Nick taught us how to just go about it, and I put a trial to it. I'm also interacting with my fellow class students. Discussing issues that can help us grow the community. It was really an awesome one to be in this class. I really learned a lot from this MMM school, and the school has taught me to be patient. Also, that whenever I have to lecture my people, let them know that they don't need to use the borrowed money, they have to use their spare money. And also how to have challenges like business game presentation. It was a tug of war. We have to crack our brain, work as a team in my circle, which I happen to be the circle leader. We work as a team despite all the obstacles, people from different backgrounds trying to just like bring their own ideas, and we join everything together and make our presentation a success. It was really awesome. I really enjoyed every part of the business game, the part of the lecture, from the preparatory class, day 1, day 2, interacting with students, even learning how to use Excel, Google Slides, Google Documents, Google Sheets. I learned a lot from this lesson, and I wish I could still forge ahead with this lesson, but finally it has come to an end with the business game presentation. The business game presentation was awesome. When we did our presentation, my teammates, my circle mates. We have to put our heads together and come out with a good presentation this evening. I give kudos to everyone. Also, I want to appreciate my family members, my colleague at work, my mentor, Nick, for your patience, your tolerance, and your support towards the success of this school. I want to really appreciate my circle mates, Doris, Peter Williams, Manuel, Collins, Andrew, Innocent, Ayanda, and the rest of them in that circle. So one love to all. God bless. And also God bless my mentor Nick. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. God bless you.